I'm Vandana Kashyap, a class teacher of Stepping Stone. Workshop conducted by Jasmine ma'am was a learning experience for me, very enriching experience, and it has really imbibed in me a feeling of self-confidence. Now I'm more confident, and it is really an eye-opening session for me because I've learned so many new things from ma'am. Different teaching methodologies according to the child's needs and requirement. I think we should focus on that.
Today's workshop was very informative. We had different activities which learn important things that we need to improve in our daily life and helped us to how to implement different activities and everything inside our classrooms.
I've learned a lot. I have learned that how to be more focused in my life. I've learned that I need to smile more. I'll definitely try to implement all the things which I can do in my class, in my life, at my home, everywhere.
This was a gaining workshop as it gave me a feeling of self-realization and motivation to improve my each and every day with a better growth and with a huge smile.
I really loved this workshop.
It was awesome.